Hi students, good morning to all and welcome to online class ma. In our last class, we completed up to the lesson 1. Okay. Now today we are going to see the unit 2 numbers. Okay va? In lesson 1, we learn about the properties of 2D shapes. Okay va ma? And then how to draw the circle for the given measurement. And then how to find the diameter and how to find the radius. There are two formulas are there for finding the diameter. Diameter formula, diameter equal to 2 into radius. Find the radius, they have a formula, radius equal to diameter divided by 2. There are two formulas are there. And then how to find the perimeter of a quadrilateral. Okay, what is mean by perimeter ma? Sum of all sides. That means we want to add all the sides of the quadrilateral. Okay, ma? Under exercise 1.5, find the perimeter of the following figures, and there are 5 word problems are there. And then tangram. Tangram is an old Chinese puzzle. It consists of 5 or 7 geometrical pieces. Okay, Vama. And then we see the properties of 3D shapes. What are the 3D shapes are there? They are cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder. Okay, Vama. And then exercise 1.7. Here giving the difference between the 2D and 3D shapes and find out 2D and 3D objects from the given pictures. How to find the 2D and 3D objects. Okay, up to this the first unit is over. Now we are start the new unit numbers. Okay, Mama. Now take page number 20. Here giving one example. Write here giving one number. We want to write the number in words. Okay, Mama. Before that, okay, ma, we want to write this number in words. Okay, ma, how we can write the number name, ma? From the last digit is 1. Okay, the last digit we consider ones. Before tens, and then 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, Mama. From last digit, the last digit is ones, and before tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, va? Now same like that we can apply this. From last digit we considered ones. Before number is tens. That means 8 is tens. 2 is what? 100. Okay, before the 100, 1000. Okay, so 1 is considered as 1000. Okay, Mama. Now you read the numbers, ma. 1000, 200. Now we want to combine the tens and ones. Okay, va? 83. Likewise. Okay. So 1283. Okay, va? 1283. Okay, understood, Amma? Now here giving a solution. First of all, we want to write the exponent form. Okay, first write the given number in exponent form. How we can write the exponent form, ma? Exponent form means nothing. Okay, this is a question. 1283 equal to. Okay, well, what is the first digit? 1. So put the 1. After the 1, how many digits having? 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, 3 digits having, so we want to put the 30. Okay, va? And then in exponent form we want to put the plus symbol. Okay, so put the plus. Next 1 after, what is the digit having here? 2. So put the 2. After the 2, how many digits having? 1, 2. 2 digits having a, so we want to put the 2 zeros. Okay, and then put the plus symbol. What is the third digit? 8. So put the 8. After the 8, how many digits having? Only 1. So put only 1 0. Okay, then put the plus symbol. What is the last digit? 3. So put the 3. After the 3, there is no number having here. Okay, va? So no need to put the 0. That's all. This is the exponent form. Is that clear for you, ma? Okay. After writing the exponent form, we want to write the name of each number below it and then combine that name. We want to write the name for each and every numbers. Okay, va? Put the equal to, what is the first number? 1000. Isn't it? No. Because 3 zeros having, if we have 3 0 means 1, 2, 3 0 means what is this? 1000. So 1000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 3. Okay, va? Now we write it the names, ma. Now we want to combine the names. So the number name of 1283 is 1283. Is that clear for you, ma? Okay. Now we are going to exercise 2.1. First one, 1006. Same like that. We want to put the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, va? So last number ones, before number tens, before number 100 and before number 1000. Okay, va? Now we want to write the number name 1000. Here 0, va? So leave the 0. Okay, 1000. Here 0. Here in 100 place also 0 having, in tens place also 0 having. So leave it. Okay, va? 1006. This is the number name for this number. Okay, va? Okay, va? 1006. Same like that second question. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now read the number name, ma. 6300. We want to combine the tens and ones. So 27. 27 means what? 27. So 6327. Got it, ma? Okay. Okay, va? 6327. Then third question. Same like that. 9097 from last. Put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, va? So now read out it, ma. 9000. Here 100 not having, so strike out it. In 100 place 0 having, so strike out the 0. 9097. Want to combine that tens and ones. So 9 7 is, we can say 97. So 9097. Okay, va? 9097. Okay, va? Now fourth question. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Before the 1000, what, ma? 10,000. So here put 10,000. Okay, va? Now read out, ma. 10,000. That's all. Before the one, sorry, after the one, here giving 0, 0, 0, 0. So leave it all. Okay, va? Now 10,000. 1 is no need. So just write 10,000. Is that clear, ma? If you in question they are giving 0 means just strike out the 0 for avoid your confusion. Okay, va, ma? So 10,000 is the answer. Okay, last question also. From last, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, now what is the answer, ma? Very good. 8,906. Because here having 0, so strike out is just 6 only having. 8,906. Okay, 8906. Okay, va? Now second Roman letter, write the numeral for each of the following. What does mean with numeral? In before Roman letter, numbers give it, we want to write the names. Okay, va? But here the number name is given, we want to write the numbers. Okay, number is also known as numeral. Okay, va? Now in here, previously you want to write the one sentence, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here look at the question ma, 7000. So in first question they are giving up to 1000, so I am writing up to the 1000 here. Okay, va? Ones, tens, 1000, sorry, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, va? Now in first question, how many thousand giving ma? 7000. So before the 1000 I am putting the number 7. Okay, va? Next 1000 after 100. Here how many 100 giving? There is no 100, so put 0. Okay, and 64. 64 is a 60 is what? Tens. So 60, I am putting 6, 4. So 6 4 64. Okay, va? Same like that. 9000. Here also giving up to 1000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, va? How many thousand giving? 9000. So before the 1000 I am putting the number 9. 9300. How many 100 ma? 300. So before the 100 I am putting the number 3. Okay, va? 340. Sorry ma, 40. Okay, va? 40 means 40. Now you read out the, now you say the number name for this number ma? 9340. Correct? Okay, now third question, 5000. Now here also we want to put the number up to 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. How many thousand giving ma? 5000. So before the 1000 I am putting 5. 600. So below the 100 I am putting 6. Okay, va? And 73. So 73. Okay, va? So 5673. Okay, va? Now 10,000. Here giving up to 10,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So below the 10,000 I am putting 1 because here it's giving 10,000. Here also 10,000 having a, so just I am putting 1. After the 10,000 here giving no words, so I am just putting the 0. Okay, mama. So 10,000 having how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay, va? Now fifth question, 4306. Here giving up to 1000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. How many thousand? 4000. So below the 1000 I am putting 4. 300. So below the 100 I am putting 3. 306. 6 is a ones, so there is no tens, so put the 0. Okay, va? 6 is tens, so below the, sorry, 6 is what? In ones place. In ones place we want to put the 6. Okay, va? Here there is no tens place. 4306. 4306. Is that clear, ma? Okay, now answer the following questions. Ramu went to the bank to deposit the rupees 7500. How we can now say the number name for this number, ma? How we can say the number name? Yes, First of all, we want to put the ones, tens. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, va? Now you say the number name easily, no? 7500. That's all. Here 0 was, so strike out the 0. 7500. That's all. Okay, va? Ramu went to a bank to deposit rupees 7500. Okay, in a deposit form, he has to fill up the amount in words. Okay, va? Could you please help him? Okay, we already know the answer, no? Now we want to write the number name for this number. So what is the answer? 7500. Write the answer here, ma. 7500. Okay, second question. Find the sum. What does mean by sum? You already learned in your lower class. Very good. Sum means what? Plus, addition. Okay, wow. Now we want to do the addition. Find the sum of the greatest two-digit number. What is the greatest two-digit number, ma? What is the greatest two-digit? Yes, 99. Because what is that? After number of 99? 100. 100 is how many digit, ma? How many digit number? 1, 2, 3. 100 is a 3-digit number. So, 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. That means last 2-digit number. Okay, va? So, 99 is the answer. Now, under the greatest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number? Very good. 999. We want to put the 3 times 9. Okay, va? Because after the 999, what is the next number? Very good. What, ma? 1000. 1000 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 is a 4-digit number. So, what is the last 3-digit number, ma? 999. Okay, va? Now we want to do the addition. Okay, va? So, because in question itself giving, ma, find the sum of the greatest 2-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. We want to add this two number. Okay, you already know the addition, no, ma? 9 plus 9. Very good, 18. So, put 18 here. One reminder. Now, 9 plus 9. 18. Okay, 18 plus 1. 19. So, put 9 here. 1 here, reminder. Okay, now 9 plus 1. 10. So, this is the answer. Now, we want to write the number name of that sum. Now, we want to write the number name for this number. Okay, wow. So, put ones, tens, ma. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now, say the number name, ma. 1098. Okay, wow. Now, write the answer here, ma. 1098. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Now, odd number, odd number and even number. What is the odd number, ma? A number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place are called odd number. That means, is there giving, there are 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number. There are lot of digits having, isn't it? No. For finding the odd digit number, we want to look just the last digit. That means the number having in ones place. Okay, va? For example, here giving, see, 1001, 1003, 1005, 1007, 1009. Okay, va? Here we want to look at the last digit. Okay, va? What is the last digit, ma? 1. 1 is the odd number, ah? Yes. So 1 is the odd number means 1001 is also a odd number. Okay, va? So what are the odd numbers, ma? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, ma? These numbers are having in ones place means, okay, va? That number is considered as a odd numbers. Okay, va? Same like that, even number. What are the even numbers, ma? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, ma? Same like that, we want to look at the numbers in ones place. That means the last digit. Okay, ma? Suppose in that ones place, they are having their number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 means that number is considered as a even number. Okay, ma. For example, here see 2002. In this number, the last digit is 2. 2 is the even number. Yes. So 2002 is also a even number. Is that clear, ma? Now look at the last number, 9960. In this number, look at the last digit, ma. 0. 0 is the even number. Yes. So 9960 is also a even number. Is also a even number. Understand? Okay. Now take the next page. Note to identify whether the number is odd or even. Okay, va? For suppose we want to identify the number is odd or even means it is enough. Okay, just to look at the number. Just to look at the digit in ones place. Ones place means what? Last digit. Okay, Vama. Now activity. Circle the odd numbers. Okay, what are the odd numbers, ma? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Circle the odd numbers and write their names in the table given below. Below they are giving many numbers. In this number we want to circle only the odd numbers. Just we want to pick out the odd numbers. First of all, you underline the last digit, ma. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 3, 5. Here already give it. Okay, 7, 6, 6, 0, 2. Now look at the first number. What is the last digit? 2. Okay, ma. 2 is the odd number. No. So leave it. Okay. Then look at the next number. 8841. Okay, that means 8841. What is the last digit? 1. 1 is the odd number. Yes. So 8841 is also a odd number. Okay, va? Now look at the next number. In this list number, what is the last digit? 3. 3 is the odd number. Yes. So circle the 7483 is also a odd number. Okay, va? Next 3. 3 is also a odd number. So circle it. Next 5. 5 is the odd number. Yes. So circle. Okay, va? Next 7. 7 is the odd number, ma. Yes. So circle it. Next 6 is the odd number. No. This is a even number. So no need to put the circle. Next 6. 6 is an odd number. No. 0 is the odd number. No. Then 2 is also not the odd number. So that's all, ma. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 odd numbers are there. Okay, va? Here already give the answer. Include this means there are 6 odd numbers. Okay. What is the next question means we want to write the number name for the circled number. What is the first circled number? 8841. 8841. What is the number name, ma? Ones, tens, 100,000. Now say the number name. 8841. Okay va? Write the answer here, ma. Okay va? 8841. Okay. Next, what is the next circled number? 7483. 7483. Now we want to write the number name for this number. Same like that. Ones, tens, 100,000. Now say the number name, ma. 7483. Okay, mama. 7483. What is the next number? 2973. 2973. Okay, same like that. Write the number name, ma. Okay, what? 2973. Okay, va? And the next circled number is 1045. Same like that. Write the number name, ma. And the next circled number is 5667. 5667. Ones, tens, 100,000. Now what is the number name for this number, ma? 5667. Okay, va? 5667. Okay, va? Write the number names, ma. Okay, va, ma? 1045. 5667. Okay, va? Then exercise. Circle the odd numbers. What are the odd numbers, ma? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Below they are giving many numbers. Just we want to pick out the odd numbers. Okay, va? Like the same wise, we want to underline the last digit. That means the number in ones place. Okay, first 1 is the odd number. Yes. So 9001 is also a odd number. Okay, 2 is the odd number. No. So leave it. 3 is the odd number. Yes. So circle. 2 is the odd number. No. So leave it. 5 is the odd number. Yes. So circle this number. 2 is the odd number. No. So leave it. 7 is the odd number. Yes. So circle this number. Understood, amma? Next, second question. Circle the even number. Say the even. Circle the even numbers. Now say the even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, mama. Now same like that. Just underline the numbers. Underline the digits in the ones place. Okay. Then 1 is not an even number, so leave it. 0 is the even number, circle, put the circle. 2 is also an even number, put the circle. 1 is not the even number, so leave it. 4 is the even number, so put the circle. Okay, va? 8 is also an even number, so put the circle. 6 is also an even number, so I am putting the circle. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Now choose the even number. Now again say the even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, va? Same like that we want to pick out the even numbers. So I am underlining the digits in ones place. Okay, va? 1 is not a even number, so leave it. 6 is a even number, so put the circle. 9 is the even number. No. 1 is the even number. No. 8 is the even number. Yes. So put the circle. Okay. Okay. So write the number here. 4 4706. Now we want to write the number name for this number. Okay va? So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now say the number name ma. 4706. Okay va? Write the answer here ma. 4706. Now what is the next even number? 3848. 3848. Now we want to write the number name for this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay va? What is the number name ma? 3848. Okay va? Okay va? 3848. Now pick out the even numbers and write their names in the table given below. Here also we want to write the pick out the even numbers. Same like that, underline the digit in the ones place. Okay. Now 3. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now 3 is the even number or no? 6 is the even number, yes, so circled. 3 is the even number or no? 7 is an odd number, so leave it. 1 is also a odd number, so leave it. So only one number having ma. Write the number in the first column. And now we want to write the name for this number. That means number name. Okay va? So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay va? So 3206. Okay va? 3206. Okay va ma? Okay, now up to this today class is over ma. Your homework is you want to complete the exercise 2.2 and this activity in page number 22, and also you want to complete the exercise 2.1. Okay va? 2 exercise and 1 activity is your homework ma. Is there any doubt means please ask to me. I will clarify in your next class. Okay va ma? Thank you.